In this short tutorial, we're going to look at how to reframe our video for Instagram. Now you can see I have a sequence here, it's HD, and I have a couple of clips, and let's go and look at how we can do this. So with the sequence selected, we can go to Sequence, Auto Reframe Sequence. And here in our options, we can choose a target aspect ratio. There's square, vertical and horizontal ones, or you can choose a custom one and give it your own value there. I'm just going to click on square for this particular example. And below that, we have the motion tracking presets. For most people, you'll be fine with default. Now, as my clips are largely static, I'm going to choose a slower motion preset. And if your clips have fast camera movements, then you can select a faster motion preset. And then finally, we have the option of whether we want to nest the clips or not. You'll want to nest the clips if you have any position keyframes on any of your clips, as doing a auto reframe, if it needs to write keyframes to make adjustments for the framing, then it will delete the existing keyframes. Now, as I don't have any keyframes, I'm going to keep it on the first option here, which is don't nest the clips. And what's happening here is that Premiere Pro has created a duplicate of the original sequence and given it a new aspect ratio. And inside the project window, we can see that here's our auto reframe sequence here. To the bottom here, it's working out. So this is where the motion estimation preset comes in. It's working out whether it needs to move the clips inside the new frame. So once that's finished, there should be some adjustment happening here. In the meantime, if I wanted to add a new auto reframe sequence, then here I'm going to select a vertical 9:16 and click on create. And now we have two new auto reframe sequence. And here they are in the project window. I'll just let this one finish and we'll have a look at actually what's happening here. So if I select the clip, and inside the effects control, we can see that it's automatically applied the auto reframe effect. And if I select that effect and zoom out slightly, we can see that it's actually shunted the video over to the right to make the sun the center focal point for the new frame. And for the second clip, pretty much done the same, really. So there you go, how to reframe video for Instagram.